Welcome to Mount Zion family. This is Deepa handling chemistry. So in this video we are going to learn a new concept, acid, bases and salts, that is unit 14. So this is not a new topic to you, this is a well familiar topic. I hope you all are studied from 7th and 8th standard itself, and one more interesting topic also. Yes, isn't it? So you know so many things about acids, bases and salts. Okay, so at this end of the session I hope you all know and some new introduction about the acid. Okay, in the next level of an introduction to an acid, we know acid is a substance which give a sour taste. So in day to day life we are handling so many substances in our day to day life, isn't it or not? Okay, so each substance have a different types of taste. So if you see all the substances, what comes to your mind? Immediately the taste of the substance. It may be either salty or sweety or sour or bitter in nature. Okay, so based on that only we can classify the substances originally. But if you find out the reason, so why some substances have a salty nature, why some of them have a sour nature, why some of them are bitter in taste, so why these reasons means because of the chemical compound present in that. Okay, so in our day-to-day life, in the physical world, we surrounded us so many large number of chemicals. Okay, so very well good example is nothing but water molecule. Without water we can't live. But this water molecule also a chemical compound. It is a mixture of oxygen and hydrogen. You know, yes. In the same way, soil, air, whatever the substance, just to think about it, all of the substances are made up of a chemical compounds. Okay, so these compounds can be classified into acid, bases and salts. Okay, based on the taste or based on the chemical compound present in it. Okay, so without them we can't run our life. They play an important role in our day-to-day life, even our body. So it is also the metabolism is carried out because with the help of the hydrochloric acid present in our stomach. Okay, so acid, bases and salts or the substance plays in an important role in our life. So we know already what is an acid. It is nothing but a compound which is capable of forming hydrogen ions in a solution. And similarly, base is nothing but a compound form a hydroxyl ion, that is OH minus ion in solution. Okay, and both acid and base react with each other and form a neutral compound that is called as a salt. Okay, so these are the things already we know. Okay, so acid is nothing but it gives H plus ion, and base is nothing but OH minus ion. Both are react together and form a salt. So and I hope you have remembered the reaction of acid and base react with each other and form salt and water. What is this? It is called as a what it is? Very good. It is the neutralization reaction. So these are the things already we know about acids, bases and salts. So in this lesson we will discuss about them in detail. Okay. So these all the substance give a what type of taste? Curd, orange, vinegar, fruit juice. All those things gives us a sour taste. Why it gives a sour taste means a certain type of chemical compound should be present in them for the reason of the sour taste. That chemical compounds are called as acids. Okay, so acid is nothing but the word derived from a Latin word acidus. You all are know. Yes. So acidus, the meaning for that word acidus is a sour taste. So substance with sour taste are called acids. Substance with a sour taste are called acids. Okay. So there are so many acids present in different types of substances. I hope you all know. I just show the example. It is an apple. What is the acid present in it? It is malic acid. Lemon, it contains citric acid. Grapes, it contains tartaric acid. Tomato, day to day life we are using tomato. It is contains oxalic acid. Curd, it contains lactic acid. Okay, orange, it contains ascorbic acid. Tea, sometimes after 1 or 2 hours we can drink the tea, it gives us sour taste. Why it is means the presence of tannic acid. And B, it contains formic acid. Vinegar, it contains acetic acid. And our stomach, it contains hydrochloric acid. So these are the various acids present in the various substances. These are very little amount only. Okay, some more acids also present. Okay. So, according to Arrhenius, he is a Swedish chemist. In 1884, he proposed one theory for an acids and base. It is a very familiar theory that is known as the Arrhenius theory. So, according to him, an acid is a substance which furnishes H plus ions or hydronium ions. That is, hydrogen ions or hydronium ions in aqueous solutions. Okay, they contain one or more replaceable hydrogen atoms. What it is? They contain one or more replaceable hydrogen atoms. That is called as an acid. Okay, it is nothing but if we dissolve that substance in water, it produces H plus and Cl minus ion. For example, hydrochloric acid. It gives hydrogen ions and Cl minus ions. Okay, so then hydrochloric acid is called as an acid according to Arrhenius theory. So these hydrogen ions are produced only in the presence of water. The separation could not be possible in the absence of water. You have to remember this one. So the separation is possible only presence of water. If there is no water, the charge separation cannot be occur. Okay, so this hydrogen ion joined with water molecule and form hydronium ion. You know about the bonds, covalent and coordinate bonds, everything you know. So coordinate bond is nothing but it shares electron. Shares electron from one atom and shared by both. So the same way, water molecule has a 2 lone pair of electron that should be attract the hydrogen ion and form a hydronium ion, H3O plus formate. Okay, so according to Arrhenius theory, a substance which produce hydrogen or hydronium ions in aqueous solution. Okay, so this should be happen only in the presence of water, and hydrogen ions cannot be exist alone. It should be combined in the form of hydronium ion. Okay. And you have to remember one thing here. So all acids contain one or more hydrogen atoms. If an acid means it compulsory contain one or more hydrogen atoms, but all the hydrogen containing substances are not acids. You have to remember. They may be asked in a 2 mark or give reason questions. Okay. All acids essentially contain one or more hydrogen atoms, but all the hydrogen atom containing substances are not acids. Example, ammonia. You think about ammonia. What's the formula of ammonia? NH3. It has 3 hydrogen atoms, but it should not be considered as an acid. Why? Means there is no replaceable hydrogen ions in a solution, aqueous solution. So that ammonia is not considered as an acid. It is an important 2 mark question. The next thing we are going to discuss about the different types of acid and its formula, molecular formula, and the number of replaceable hydrogen atom present in that molecule. So what are they means? Acetic acid, it has, the formula is CH3COOH. Acetic acid, the formula is CH3COOH, and it has one replaceable hydrogen atom. Okay. Formic acid, the formula is HCOOH, and it has one replaceable hydrogen atom. Nitric acid, the formula is HNO3, and it has one replaceable nitrogen atom. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4, it has 2 replaceable hydrogen atom, and for phosphoric acid the formula is H3PO4, and it has 3 replaceable hydrogen atom. Okay, so again I repeat the formula. For acetic acid, CH3COOH, it can be split into hydrogen H plus ion and CH3COO minus ion. Formic acid, H plus and HCOO minus ion. This hydrogen only can be comes out. Okay. Nitric acid, H plus and NO3 minus ion. 1 plus charge is there. So it is a neutral compound. So the opposite one also minus charge. Okay. Sulfuric acid, 2 hydrogen ions are formed. That is 2 H plus ion, and it gives a negative ion SO4 2 minus ion. Phosphoric acid, 3 hydrogen ions, and phosphate ion PO4 3 minus. Okay, so these are the ions produced by the various acids. Okay, so let us discuss with the help of your textbook. Open your book, page number 162. See your book, page number 162, the new unit 14, acid, bases and salt. In that what we are discussed, acid is a compound which is capable of forming hydrogen ions in aqueous solution, where base that forms hydroxyl ion in a solution. When acid and base react with each other, a neutral product is formed which is called as a salt. So these are the 2-mark question. Underline in your book and mark it as a 2-mark question. Okay. Next we are discuss about the introduction about acids. In this a substance which have a sour taste, they are called as an acid. 1-mark question. Okay. The word acid is derived from the Latin name acidus. It is also a 1-mark question, and the meaning for the acidus is nothing but sour taste. These are the things already you know. And the table 14.1 is very important. They are discussed about the various types of sources and the acid present in them. Okay. And next we are discuss about the Arrhenius theory. Arrhenius theory, acid is a substance which gives H plus and or hydronium ions in aqueous solution. They contain one or more replaceable hydrogen atom. This is the called very important theory, Arrhenius theory. It's a 2-mark question. Okay. And example, you know, hydrochloric acid, it gives H plus and Cl minus ion. This should be happen only in the presence of water. It is an important 1-mark question. Underline it in your book. Okay. And we discuss about the hydronium ion, the formation of hydronium ion, and discuss about the various types of acid and its molecular formula present in it. This is also very important table. They may be asked in a 1-mark question. Suppose write the formula for acetic acid, or else how many number of replaceable hydrogen atoms should be present in acetic acid. They should be asked like that. Okay. The table 14.1 also important. They may be asked to write any for acid present in a different types of substances. Okay, they may be asked like that. So it is maybe these 2 tables may be come in a 1-mark or 2-mark or a 4-mark question. Okay, so these are the things discussed in this video. Hope you all are understand. Go through your study material also. Study the important things what we are marked in the book. Meet you in the next session. Thank you, students.